My name is Guian Rama from Burza. This is my integrative presentation for English, Math, Art, and Health. Richard's surprise birthday party. Mother is very excited early in the morning. She goes to the market and buys things needed for the party. All the things needed are listed in her note to budget the money. Mother assures the good quality of the products that she buys for the safety of her family. She buys 1 whole chicken, 1 kilogram pork, and 1 is an odd number which goes with 3, 5, 7, and 9, and 2 kilograms of bihon. 2 is an even number, and 2 goes with 4, 6, 8, and 0. And 0 is the ending of the even numbers. 1 whole cabbage, 1/2 kilogram carrots, 1/4 and 1/4 Baguio beans. She also buys condiments like soy sauce, salt, black pepper, salt, etc. The mother goes to the fruit stand to buy fruits like apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes. Lastly, she buys utensils like the plastic spoon, fork, cups, and paper plates. Then she decided to go home. At home, while she's preparing for food, the father arrived with a big and round cake bought from Goldilocks and colorful balloons. These are yellow, red, blue, green, and orange balloons. Richard's older sister and brother are secretly making birthday cards for him. They also put some decorations in their home. When the food such as fried chicken, pork adobo, pancit, and cake decorations, gifts were all prepared and ready. Sister goes to Richard's room to tell him to go out. Richard has no idea because he is busy in his online class. While he is approaching to the kitchen, his father, mother, brothers, and sister greet him a happy birthday. He blows the candle and slices the cake into 5 equal parts. They're all happy. Now, since we are learning words from reading, let's expand our vocabularies by knowing the difference of homonyms and hyponyms. Homonyms, these words that have the same name. They sound the same and are spelled the same. Example, pen, the writing instrument and an enclosure for an animal. Hyponyms, a word of more specific meaning than a general or superordinate term applicable to it.
Next.
Examples, aid, aisle, bear, bee, berry, bury, scent, new, see, right. There are more homonyms out there, but I won't be able to tell all of these because we are saving time. These are examples of vegetables. There are, under the greens are cabbage and spinach, under pulses are peas and beans, under roots are carrots and turnips, and under tubers have potatoes and yams. Now, since we are talking about fruits and vegetables, let us also know the benefits of eating them. Benefits of eating fruits. Kiwis help increase bone mass, and I'd really like to try kiwis one day. Bananas help athletes remain focused and motivated. And my mom eats bananas because she likes to go work out and she will be motivated when she eats bananas. Pineapples help fight arthritis, and pineapples are used in Hawaiian pizzas, and we made a Hawaiian pizza on Mother's Day as well. Oranges promote great skin and vision, and oranges are very sour, but they're also healthy. Watermelon helps control heart rate. We actually ate watermelons a few days ago, and it was really good. Apples build resistance against infections, and it will help you not get sick or get infected by any type of infections. As they all say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Blueberries, cherries, grapes, blackberries, and strawberries are a family of berries, and they help you with your blood flow, and they'll keep you healthy as well. And also, cherries help calm the nervous system. Mangoes boost the body's ability to fight against cancer. Reasons to eat your veggies. An eggplant's peel can fight against cancer and aging. And I also eat eggplants every dinner. And carrots help the body maintain connective tissue, teeth, and gums. Cucumbers can help reduce constipation. Broccoli protects you from cancer. And I love broccolis because they are really crunchy and healthy. Tomatoes can help lower the risk of cancer. Cauliflower is an excellent source of vitamin C, like the orange as well. Onions can reduce high blood pressure. And artichokes are a great source of fiber. And that's it for today. I hope you guys learned something new. Bye!
Done.